Hi, I'm Matt, and today I'm going to be installing the FType Ultra by Luceco Lighting into this beautiful lounge. These downlights are great. Not only are they I-joist rated, but they're fire rated and they're IP65 rated, which gives you a great peace of mind. They come in a choice of colours. We're going to be fitting the ones with the white bezel today, and also we'll be fitting a brushed chrome dimmer. So let's get into it. So we've already discussed with the customer the positions of the lighting. Then we need to carry out safe isolation so we can disconnect the existing lighting safely. So the next step is to mark and laser out the lights. We need to get these downlights bang on position and in line. So following on from that, we start wiring the positions that are already drilled out, and then we fit the downlights. So these fittings are great. They also have the piano keys, which is an easy installation for push fit, no screwdriver needed. We also have a clear view window, so when the cables are installed, we can make sure that the terminals are safe, tight and secure. On the unit itself, you have a 4-watt and a 6-watt option, a cool white and a warm white option. These are easily switched from one side to the other. With the downlights then fitted, we then need to change both switches to dimmer switches, and then we can carry out testing. With the testing all done and completed, it's just a case of tidying up and making sure that the customer is happy.
So we were actually recommended these by our electrical contractor. He felt that they would provide everything that I'd requested. I wasn't 100% sure on having spots fitted into our living room, but actually how wrong was I? During the day, if I'm working from home, they're nice and bright, I can do the cleaning, they give me exactly what I need. But in the evening, when we use the dim-to-warm setting, perfect. It gives a nice cosy feeling, sort of a really warm glow. Lovely for that cosy family night in. Whatever the mood it sets the scene for, absolutely love mine, and I would 100% recommend.